Hi, today I'll talk about some stocks which I had advised in February, and we'll just have a relook what those stocks are doing. These are some mid-cap stocks which I had picked up in February, and they are, my criteria at that time was which are below 500 rupees mark. So we'll just look at some of the stocks, revisit them, and see how they are doing. So at that time, I told you to, at least invest in them for 3 years, and then we'll have a look at it. But of course, my strategy has changed after the second wave, and we'll just put in stocks for now 1 year. So if we look at some of those stocks, I'll put the link of that video with this video where I had referred 5 stocks. So let's see how they are doing now. Now, one of the stocks which I had advised was APAR Industries. Okay, APAR Industries. Some women have told me that I should spell the stock name because it is difficult for them to find out. This for the beginners. So this stock I had advised on after the budget. Okay, on 5th or 4th Feb. So I had a look at that stock. Now at that time, the price at which it was trading was hovering around 360, 370, 323 actually. So now at that time I had given a figure of rupees 379 as buy, okay, and the target price I had given was around 600 rupees, per stock. So if we look at APAR Industries today, then the current trading price of the current market price of the stock is 552 rupees. So it has really climbed in the last 3 months, and so the target price is now, I'll just reset the target price. So now we should hold it till 660 rupees to 675 rupees. Yes, it has that capability. So this has, from 300, it was below 500 stock. So from 300 to it has now come to 552 rupees in just 3 months. Okay, if you want to sell it off, if you bought it at that time, you can definitely sell it off. If you look at its trajectory, I have it in front of me. Well, this stock has a 52-week high of 561 rupees and 52-week low of 280 rupees. The PE ratio is 15.53. Okay, now if we look at its trajectory in the last 6 months, this has just climbed. So on 25th November 2020, it was around 342. This is 6 months. Okay, and today it is at 552 rupees. So definitely this is a good stock for at least another 6 months. So my thing remains buy for this stock. You can definitely buy it, and as I told you, my policy has shifted. We are now investing in stocks for 1 year. Okay, so since it is a cables company, it's a lubricants company, it's a petroleum specialties company, so definitely this will do well, continue to do well. So this stock is a winner. Okay, the second stock which I had advised at that time was SBI Bank. Okay, now at that time I had given a price of around 290 to 310 rupees. I suggested you buy at that price. Okay, and the target price that I had given was around 360 rupees. Okay, now if we look at the share today, if you look at the stock today is 24th May. The stock has closed at 411 rupees, way above its target price of 360 rupees. So it has achieved its target price. Wow. Okay. It was at that time also hovering around that 360 mark. It was around 357, I think, already, but then it came down a bit, but this has done well. If you look at its 6 months performance, well, the stock has done well. In fact, it has earlier also touched 415 rupees. Then it came down a little bit, but it has closed at 411 rupees. So SBI Bank is doing well and it has achieved its target. Wow, that's great. So 52-week high was 427 rupees. It's again hovering around that 52-week high. 52-week low was 150 rupees. PE ratio is 16.37. Okay. So well, you can definitely look at this stock again for another 6 months. Okay, so we are just talking about this 1 year. This is a very troublesome year. So you can definitely hold it. The bank is doing really well. So, and even brokerages are suggesting a buy on this bank after its Q4 results. And also foreign brokerages are also positive on this stock. So this 2 out of those 5 are good. Okay, then another stock which has achieved its target is ISGEC. Okay, this is another stock which I had suggested in February after the budget. Okay, this is again a heavy engineering company stock. Point, I gave a buy at around 320 to 375 rupees. Okay, and the target price which I gave was 490 to 500 rupees. Okay, now if we look at this stock today, it has closed on 527 rupees. So it has also achieved its target in only 3 months. Okay, so well, so another good stock. If we look at its 1 year trajectory, well, it has gone little up and down, but it has majorly only grown. It's a 6 month trajectory, that is also good. So 52-week high was 618 rupees, 52-week low was 524 rupees, and PE ratio is of around 19.66. Okay, so this stock has also achieved its target price. Now, if you want to buy it now, of course they are above 500 now, so that is not the criteria now. They are expensive. So if I want to give you a new target price, that would be around 600 rupees. Okay, you will say why? Because 527 it has already achieved, and why 600 rupees only? Because its 52-week high is hovering around 618. Okay, so there is a chance that it might breach the 600 mark very well. So what you can do is you can sell it and you can book some profits if you want to. So if you're looking for some profits quickly, well, we can. Definitely, this is a heavy engineering company. It was established in 1933. So it's a British area company, and this company has it has been ranked 236 in ET 2020 listing, and it is one of the 220 Fortune India 500 listing wala jo hota hai, usme it is at the 220 level. So it is a good company, so you can expect it to do well again. Okay. Another stock which I told you was Raymond. Okay, now Raymond I gave a buy at 300 rupees, 300 to 320 rupees. Okay, and today, it's trading today it closed at around 366 rupees. Wow. And it has not achieved its target price. I gave a target price of around 590 rupees. So it is growing. It is going towards its target price. So today it was trading around 366. The new target you can keep, I'll not change the target price. I'll keep it around 590 to 600 rupees only. If we look at its 52-week high, that is around 409 rupees, and our target is much above that. So it is expected to do well. Even experts are backing it. You can read about it. But my target remains higher than its 52-week high. Definitely, I don't choose targets based on 52-week highs, but that is a good benchmark. We can just hold it, and if you bought it at below 366 rupees, you can definitely book profits in this. So in 3 months, it has grown considerably. Last which I talk about is Kalpataru Power. Kalpataru Power has also grown. I gave the buy at in February at around 280 to 323 rupees, something in between. Okay, and the target price which I gave was 480 rupees. Okay, now if we look at the stock today the stock closed at 432 rupees. So it is a big climb from that 283. Now if I look at where it was on I've forgotten this, step 4. So it was around 363 rupees. So 363 से 432 पे आ गया है ये. So which means this is also growing. It is moving towards its target price. So the target price which I gave was 480 rupees. So it is just 50 points away from that. So now we'll keep the new target price at around 500 rupees. Okay, because it can achieve it is 432, so it can achieve 500 mark. This is a power company, power transmission company, and this can definitely do well. If you look at its 1 year trajectory, this has just grown. 1 year back, it was around 206 पे था ये, 206, and today it is around 432 rupees. So there are all the chances of this to grow. This is again an infrastructure related stock, and as I've been saying, infrastructure has been given a major thrust by the government in this budget. Okay, 52-week high was 438 rupees, 52-week low was 192 rupees. PE ratio is 9.76. Okay, that is one thing to think about. Okay, so most of the stocks except Raymond have just galloped. Okay, and Raymond too is inching towards, it's not fallen down. Definitely it's growing. It is steadily growing. It's a apparel company, and we know the times are not very good for people to look to go shopping and buy apparel. But it is also growing. It's not that it's coming down. So from 300 to 320 mark in February, it has definitely come to 366 mark. Okay, I'll just check where it was on 4th Feb. So on 4th Feb, it was around 339 rupees. Okay, so it has come to 366 rupees. So that's good. That's a good growth. So I was just revisiting the stocks which I had told you on after the budget in February, and each and every stock has grown. So if you still haven't bought them, you can look at them. I'll give you more stocks. So this is Anupam Sharma saying bye-bye. Take care, stay safe, and keep investing.